Hello there and welcome back. We just finished problem 1, so I'm going to scroll down and we'll look at question number 2. A sales manager collected data about how many years of sales experience each member of his team had. He compiled the data in a histogram. Blank members had less than 15 years of sales experience. Now you may be able to look at this graph and figure that out, and if so, that is wonderful. You do not need to go through drawing this. But just to help you understand it in case you're struggling with it, I want to draw a frequency table. So in the first column, we're going to put the years of experience, intervals, and in the second column, I'm going to put the people and the frequency, how many people fit that given category. So we have 0 to 4 years, we have 5 to 9, we have 10 to 14, 15 to 19, and 20 to 24. And I'm going to take off what I don't need. So in the 0 to 4 category, the bar goes all the way up to 10. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 5 to 9 interval has 5 people. The 10 to 14 interval has 4 people. The 15 to 19 interval has 8 people. And the 20 to 24 has 3. Now the question wants to know the number who had less than 15 years. So I'm going to draw another line right here at 15. I want to count those who have less than 15. So we're looking at these above the line, less than 15 years. So all we have to do is count those tick marks. You have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 19 people who have less than 15 years experience. Okay, number 3. The menu prices are shown in the table below. How much would it cost to buy 2 small beef stew entrees and a large beans and rice entree? So we want to buy 2 beef stew and 1 beans and rice. So I look at my, what am I missing? What did I not write down? That is so important. The sizes. We want 2 small beef stew and 1 large beans and rice. That's important. So 2 of the small beef stew, if you look at your chart, that's $4.50, and we need 2 of those. The word "and" means add, and 1 beans and rice large. So a large beans and rice is $6. So 2 times 450 is 9. Or you can add your zeros. Your calculator won't, but that's $9. Plus 1 times $6 is 6. So $9 plus $6 is a grand total of $15. And that is option C. Okay, I'm going to continue just one more and then maybe stop the video after this one. Number 4 is showing me another graph about monthly sales for a North store and a South store. The North store sold blank less than the South store during the 4 months shown. So the first thing I want to do is to add up the numbers for the North store, and those are the numbers in blue. So on the x-axis we have 0 to $1,400, and every line shown is 200. So if we look at the estimate for April, remember I'm looking at the blue line, it is about $850. You just kind of have to get close. In March, that one is right on the 1,200. We're looking at the blue bar. The blue bar for February is right on 1,000. And the blue bar for January is between 800 and 1,000, so I'm going to go with 900. And then on your calculator, let's add up these numbers. So 850 plus 1,200 plus 1,000 plus 900 equals about $3,950 for the North store. And then we need to do that for the South store, the red bars. April is 1,300. And March is 1,200. And February, I'm looking at the red bar for March, is about 1,250. It's a little bit beyond the 1,200. The red bar for February is 1,200. And the red bar for January is 1,100. So I need to add these up carefully. Don't get in a hurry typing and miss something. 48.50. But the question says the North store sold blank less than. So I need to find the difference between these. Less than means to subtract. So I'm going to say 48.50 minus 39.50. And that's a difference of about $900. So this one has quite a bit of work in it. You have to be able to read your bars, keep the red separate from the blue, which is my problem, and then you have to know that you have to subtract. So this is not an easy problem. None of these are easy problems. Okay, I'm going to get one more and then I'll stop the video. Number 5. What is the mean of this data? Again, you do not have to draw a frequency table, but if you're having trouble with it, this is the way to fix that. So we're looking at data points. And again, I don't know what these are. It could be anything. 20. It can't be high set scores because they only go to 20 on a subtest. 23, 24. And then the frequency is the number of dots. So 20 has 2 dots. 21 has 4 dots. 22 has 3 dots. 2 dots and 3 dots. And we are talking about 1, 2, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You want to make sure that you have enough tally marks to match the number of dots. Okay, to get the mean, we know how to do this. Remember, to get a mean, you have to make the fraction. So we draw the line. We just counted, and I already forgot what we said. Is it 14? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. That's your bottom number, 14 dots. So we have 2 of them that were 20s, 4 of them that were 21s, 3 of them that were 22s, 2 of them that were 23s, and 3 of them that were 24s. And I got that off my frequency table, or you can get it off of the dot plot. Either way is fine. Okay, to get the actual mean, I need to do some math. So I'm going to say this is 2 times 20, or 40, plus 2 times 21 is 84, plus 3 times 22 is 66, plus 2 times 23 is 46, plus 3 times 24 is 72. Let me just check my numbers. I did this before. Yes. And then we're dividing all of that by the 14 dots. So we're going to say 40 plus 84 plus 66 plus 46 plus 72 equals, and that's 308 divided by 14. So the mean is 308 divided by 14 equals 22, and that is option B. So just finding the mean of that data set. Okay, I'm going to stop this video, and I'll see you in the next one for number 6.